kids first. Today, I will be reviewing the film, The Art of Racing in the Rain. The Art of Racing in the Rain takes many emotions throughout the movie, like happy, sad, and surprising sometimes. The Art of Racing in the Rain is about a dog named Enzo. He likes to study the race car track. So he watches TV a lot to study it. He sometimes studies it at the track with his owner, because his owner is a race car driver. So that's fun. My favorite part is Denny gets to see her daughter again and gets quality time with her. My least favorite part is when Denny isn't there for the special surprise. That makes me sad. The message of this film is when you get torn apart, you have to get back up. I rate this movie 5 out of 5 stars, and I recommend ages 5 to 18. Adults might like this too. It opens up in theaters nationwide on August 9th, 2019. August 9th, 2019. That's it for now. I'm Brock Taylor. Catch you next time.
Denny, faster.
Oh, sweet boy, come here.
It must be amazing to have a body that can carry an entire creature inside. I just hoped it would look like me.